Hello everyone! If you wanna delete duplicate photos on your iPhone and free up space, just follow these steps. Go to Settings. Select General. Then tap Software Update. And make sure your system is up to date. Open the Photos app. Your iPhone will automatically detect its duplicate photos, but this may take some time. Go to Albums and in this bottom right corner scroll down to the Duplicates section. This one. Soon a list of all duplicates will appear. Tap some duplicates, then select to mark photos for merging. You can also tap Select All to merge everything at once. Press Merge and confirm. That's it. You can choose to merge only exact duplicates or include similar ones with slight differences in resolution or format. When merging, your iPhone will keep the highest quality version. Merged duplicates will be moved to the recently deleted folder, where you can restore them if you need here. These simple steps will help you clean up your phone library and free up storage space. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.